So, what is the best Minecraft server? I see you, I see you. You want the answer? Yeah, here it is. It's Little SMB. So, you join in here in the hub. First thing, you click this skin. Then, you come here in the spawn. You start with nothing, but I play it, of course. Like, I have like 9 videos or whatever, and I lost all of my money gambling. So here are crates. Every hour you play, you get a crate key. It can be common crate, PvP crate, spawner crate, or little crate. But the festive crate, as you see here, is very rare and you can only get it from the store. Doo-doo-doo. And it's rare items. So if you do slash auction house and you see any festive, where did the festive elytra? Okay, someone bought the festive elytra, but it gets sold for more money. And over here there is also PvP arenas. Like here is sword PvP, and there is also crystal PvP in the arena behind it. And by doing slash RTB, you're gonna random teleport to a random location on the server. If you choose overworld, it's gonna be in the overworld, nether, and like so on. You just find the place and build your base. And for the easiest money gain, you do slash orders. And like someone wants sea pickle, someone wants some shells, someone wants sand. You can just RTB, get some sand, and give it to him in slash orders. And you wondering, how did I get this golden apple? How did I get this shulker? You do slash shop and you buy whatever you want. There is redstone and spawners and gear. You can also set homes. I have home 1. So in my home 1 I have farms. So as you see over here, there is netherworld farm. Here I have a sugarcane farm. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, and from like the widths and the lengths, or the lengths and the widths. Huh? Anyway, here is gonna be a kelp farm. It's gonna be the whole chunk, and the little area over there is gonna be some bamboo farms, like all over the place. And I'm doing something very, very dumb. When I reach 10, only 10, yeah, you heard me right, 10 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a free Minecraft code. Then subscribe. What are you waiting for? Yeah, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Yeah, press it. It's a red dude. Press it. Press it. Okay, bye.